Hello, Bricks here, and today I got another figure unboxing. This time we got Hatsune Miku Nendoroid. So it's the Symphony 2018 to 2019 version, and I guess we'll just get straight into the unboxing. Oh, and you see this background here, that's just, I'm doing a project right now. So it's a car right now, so you guys will see that when I finish it. But anyways, back to the unboxing. There we go. Alright. So that's the inside of the box. Nothing much. Besides for how to put the figure and change her parts. That's pretty much it. There we go. And Miku herself right here. Yeah, this is my first Nendoroid, so don't be mad if I just like mess something up. So, gotta slowly pull this little strip off, I guess. There we go. Okay. And yeah, she's really pretty, honestly. And because it's a Nendoroid, it's posable, so I'm gonna get a few pieces changed up. And then we have the stand at the very bottom. Let me just cut it open. There we go. And there we go. Cool. Now again, I'm new to all this stuff, so once again, don't expect me to like be perfect and everything. I know this is a stand and everything because I have a few other figures. I see. Oh, she can stand by herself without having the stand if her twin tails are like this and not, I don't know, all the way back. But if you wanted her twin tails to be over like that, so you can flip them back, forth, twist it, yeah. Then of course her head, you can turn her head. Just seems to be for this figure only side to side and not up or down. And then for our hands, of course you can take them off, then replace it. Then adjust her legs too, of course. I guess once you get to her desired position, you can just put this back here. There. Just to the point where it's good enough. Then I'm going to bring the camera down. There. So yeah, that's Miku. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, do anything you feel like doing. You don't have to do any of those, of course. Yeah. See ya. Bricks out.